Hello everyone, and welcome to a new video. Today, we have something truly exciting for you, and I couldn't be more eager to share it. Before we get started, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Let's get started.
Are you interested in starting a print-on-demand business, but don't have any capital to invest? Believe it or not, it's possible to start a print-on-demand business with no money up front. The key is to leverage existing platforms that allow you to create and sell custom products. Start by researching print-on-demand platforms like Printful, Printify, or Redbubble. These platforms allow you to design and sell products such as t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. You don't need to purchase any inventory or equipment up front. Simply upload your designs, set the price, and start promoting your products. When a customer places an order, the platform handles the printing, packaging, and shipping process for you. Your profit is the difference between the platform's base price and the price you set for your products. In terms of how much money you can make, it varies depending on your marketing efforts and the demand for your products. Some successful print-on-demand entrepreneurs have earned thousands of dollars per month. However, it's important to note that building a profitable business takes time and effort. You need to find your niche, create high-quality designs, and effectively market your products. Success in the print-on-demand business is not guaranteed, especially if you don't invest in advertising or promotion. But with dedication and smart strategies, you can start making money without any upfront costs. Remember that having a strong brand and unique designs can help you stand out from the competition. Experiment with different product types and designs to see what resonates with your target audience. Don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate profits. Building a business takes time. Take advantage of social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to showcase your products and reach potential customers. By consistently creating and promoting your designs, your print-on-demand business has the potential to grow and generate income. So, if you're ready to dive into the print-on-demand world, don't let a lack of money hold you back. With the right approach and determination, you can start a successful print-on-demand business without upfront costs. Remember, this channel is for you, and your feedback and suggestions mean the world to me. So, please, drop your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. I love hearing from you and engaging in meaningful conversations. Thank you for watching.